So over here we've got a DC brushless fan, a 24 volt fan. So I'm currently running on 9 volts because it gets noisy and fast and loud. So I'm looking at the two phases. So it's a 2-phase 4-pole motor. So I'm taking those to the scope, and I'm also taking the current waveform to the scope with a CT. Let's have a look at the scope. Right. What we have got is your 2 phases over there. You can see them 180 degrees out of phase, and purple is your current waveform on the power supply to the motor. So there you can see the supply current ripple that the brushless fans draw. So they do introduce ripple onto the supply. So if I stop it, there you can see it slowing down. And over here on the motor, move that over, pulling that out, one can see that this has been subjected to dust and moisture, which is why this fan got removed and replaced as a precautionary measure, because the dust really builds up over here inside these fans, and that is what leads to the failure of these bearings, because they have a shield but they're not sealed. So dust is a big enemy of these little motors, particularly the bearings. And you can see all the electronics on it. Try and keep it in frame. So there you have it. That's what they look like inside. There's a circular groove which keeps it located. And there's your fan. So they're 2-phase 4-pole. And that was pretty much it. I just wanted to demonstrate what the waveform looks like on it. Output to the 2 phases, as well as the supply current ripple. We need to see that. So that's another play with brushless DC motors. That's going to wrap it up for this video. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for watching. Take care. Have an awesome day further. And I'll see you next time for more awesome stuff. Alrighty. Bye.